What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on Avax because we had here this pretty crazy pump and right now we are testing this important support area. So in this video I will tell you exactly what are my current plan about this coin, where exactly I'm planning to enter a trading position. So if you are interested, definitely watch this video to the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button. And also if you type some comment under the video, because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to follow my analysis, you can join to this group, because every day I am sharing here analysis on Bitcoin, analysis on altcoin that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested, the link to join is in the description or in the comments. On the 12-hour chart, we are currently testing this really important support area, which is between levels 10.21 and 9.78. Currently, I think that there is pretty good risk-reward ratio to enter a long position, because the next important resistance area is here between levels 15.35 and 14.70, but we need like a certain conditions to be met to enter a long position. So yeah, in this video I will tell you exactly what I'm waiting for to enter the long position, because as I said, this can be a really good trade. So the first thing that I'm currently watching is the support confirmation of this area. So yeah, it's a good thing that we like tested this area. We can have a support confirmation here, but right now I'm waiting for the price to get again back above of this support. So let's say above the level 10.21, and then I'm waiting here for a support confirmation. And if this will happen, then I think that there can be a good opportunity to enter a long position. Another important thing is our increased bullish volumes. So just like turn on your volume indicator and you can see if there are like increased bullish volumes, and if these conditions are met, then I will be thinking of entering a long position. Stop loss I would put somewhere under this support, preferable under this previous low, so let's say around level 9.60, and the last take profit target I would put somewhere to this bearish order block, which is between levels, as I said, 15.35 and 14.70. So in this case there is a risk reward ratio 8.06, which I think is really good, but definitely take some of the profits before we hit this previous high, so let's say below the level 11.9, and then take some of the profits before this small resistance, so let's say below the level 9.64. So in this case it will be risk reward ratio like 5 or 6 in total, but that's still a really good trade. So I highly recommend you to watch this current setup. So the second trade idea that I'm currently watching here is a breakout and support confirmation of this resistance. So yeah, right now I'm waiting here for entering a long position above this support area, but I think the even better trade is to wait for a breakout and then for a support confirmation. So for example, you can take this small trade and take all of the profits before this resistance, and then wait for a breakout and support confirmation to get into a new position, because as you said, we are respecting this high really well. In this case, there are multiple resistance and multiple take profit targets. The first important resistance is this bearish order block. That's the previous one I showed you on the previous setup. The second important resistance is here on the 16.0, which is this strong high, and the third important resistance is this bearish order block, which is between levels 21.60 and 20.27. So the exact trade can look, for example, like this. Stop loss I would put somewhere back to this downtrend, so let's say level approximately 10.94, but yeah, this will really depends on where we will like break this resistance, because if this chart will be looking, for example, like this, then of course you need to like adjust your entry and adjust your stop loss. But like the lower we will break this downtrend, the better risk reward ratio will be. The last take profit target will be, as I said, in this bearish order block, which can give you a net profit around 100%, which is absolutely amazing. But as I said, take multiple take profit targets. So definitely take some of the profits again under this under this previous resistance on the 12-hour chart. This is really important as in the previous setup. Then take some of the profits below this bearish order block, probably even below this strong high. So let's say some of the profits in this area. Preferably, I would took a bit better, like bigger part of the profits here, and then of course leave some moon back to the last take profit target. So in this case, there can be risk reward ratio approximately almost 16, but the multiple take profit targets, except if you will, even if you will like take bigger profits there, it will be like, let's say 8 or 9, which is still really good trade. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If we look on the daily time frame, you can see that Avax is currently really low. So now I think that there are really good conditions for a short squeeze. Short squeeze basically means a quick pump, because if this coin is like that low, there are a lot of sellers. So there is like high pressure for a selling. So let's say a high pressure for a downtrend. So if some big player will come up and he will put a lot of money in it, it will pump the price, then the short money will get liquidated, so there is another fuel for a further up movement. So yeah, that's the current scenario that I'm watching here. So definitely keep an eye on the setups that I showed you in this video. If you want to take this trade and you will, for example, make a profit on that, you can share it with me on my Discord trading group, or you can just join the Discord trading group or my VIP training group, where we can be discussing trades together. So if you are guys interested, the more information you can find on my Discord. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. But this will be all from me for today. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.